Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open sofi high yield saving account. So let me tell you there is something very important instruction, right? So you need to be 18 plus and you need to be a US citizen, permanent resident or non-resident with a social security number. So first of all we have to just visit our sofi website here which we here. Now choose the option for high yield saving account. Note that you must open this account along a sofi checking account as they are offered as a package. So usually you can see here high yield saving account here. Now we will just go and click on open account. Now it just asking me to confirm, so this is just a normal clarification. Here you have to wait. Now here it will ask you to enter your every detail, so we will just enter our details here, and you have to fill up your name, last name, state, email address and password, and click on next. So let me fill up. Once you have filled up all this information, it will ask you for which type of account you would like to open. So here we will get these two options. So I will just open an individual account here. If you want to open a joint account, make sure you have the details of the person whom you want to add. Now here it will ask you this is your residential address, typically on your driving license or government issued ID. So you have to enter the exact your address here. Now here it will ask your date of birth. So we will add our date of birth here and click on next. Now here it will ask your social security number. So it's very important. If you don't have a social security number, as I told you, you need to have whether you are resident or non-resident living in USA. So after that you will be able to make an account. So after that you have to go and click on next, and it will ask you to confirm your email address or something, and then you will able to create your account, right? And after that it will also ask you the driving license number and other relevant identification information. There's a no minimum deposit requirement to open this account, so this is accessible for everyone. To earn the highest annual percentage yield, you can set up a direct deposit into your sofi checking account. This is not mandatory but recommended for maximum interest earning. So this is it guys. Make sure to like this video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.